Hey everyone, my name is Jonas, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money from Facebook using a very simple method. But before I do that, I just wanted to ask you to please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure you click the subscribe button and that little notification bell so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. So let's go onto my computer and I'll show you the actual method. See ya. Hey everyone, it's Jonas. Welcome to this video where I'll show you a simple way of making money from Facebook for free, which means that you're not going to be using Facebook ads. Before I get started, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And also, if you are not currently subscribed to this channel and you like videos about making money online and things like that, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And once you've done that, feel free to drop a comment below. Let me know that you have subscribed and I'll reply back. Alright, so let's get started with the actual method because that's what you want to see. So what you're going to want to do here on Facebook is very simple. First of all, you need to decide a niche that you want to go into. So do you want to sell products in the weight loss niche, for example, or in the make money online, or do you want to go to any niche on ClickBank, where basically you can see here like employment, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, pretty much anything. So first of all, and this is your little homework here, I guess, decide on what kind of products you want to promote. It can be pretty much anything. If you don't have an account on ClickBank, go to clickbank.com and sign up and you'll be able to promote anything. So for example, we can go to cooking, food and wine. Just take a look at what kind of products they have there. Got one product here, Keto resources. You make on average $12 per sale, which is pretty cool. And that's probably something that would work in the... Actually, let's take a look. Yeah, the gravity is high enough. This is something you can promote in weight loss groups, for example. So what you're going to want to do then is you're going to want to go to Facebook and you're going to want to type in the niche that you decided to promote. So for example, weight loss, keto goes hand in hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in weight loss, for example. As you can see, I've already done that here. You're then going to go to groups, which is where I am right now. And we can see there's a weight loss support group. We got 64,000 members, weight loss, 16,000 members, weight loss and diet tips, 444,000 members, daily weight loss tips, 286,000 members. As you can see, a ton of people in weight loss groups alone. So what you're going to do then is you're going to join these groups, and no, you're not going to post in these groups. If you want to know more about how I made $12,000 from posting in groups, I actually have a free method for this. If you click the link below this video, you're going to come to this page and you're going to get two things. One is going to be how to rank videos on YouTube, and in the first email that you're going to get from me after you click get instant access here, there's going to be a little link that goes to this page, and on this one I'll show you exactly how I made over $12,000 from copy and pasting into Facebook groups. So if you want that, just click the link in the description below, enter your email here, and as you can see, you can unsubscribe whenever you want. If you don't want any more emails from me, that's completely fine, but you will then get this method where I'll show you, and this is a full course, tons of videos here. I'll show you everything that I did to make that much money. Now, moving on. What you're going to want to do then is, once you've joined these groups, you're going to want to actually befriend the members in this group. So instead of posting in the actual group alone, as I said, that works too, but there's more stuff to be explained. That's not something I can explain in this short video. But so add the people that are in these groups and make them your friends. If you want to set up a new Facebook account, I guess you can do that. You're not technically allowed to have more than one Facebook account, I think, though, so that's up to you. But you're going to want to add these people. Not all of them, of course, and I would suggest you start very slow because Facebook will not appreciate if you start adding like 2,000 people per day as your friends, because that doesn't make any sense. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add, I'd say, somewhere between 5 and 20 people per day. And this isn't a method where you'll start making money on day one. It's going to take a while because you need more people on your friends list first before you can actually start making money from this. But what you're going to do, let me just fast forward. This is what you're going to do for a while. Add people from these groups that are interested in what you want to promote. Once you have a few hundred people there, that's when you can start posting on your own Facebook wall. And I'm sure you've seen those posts before. I don't have an example of that right now, actually, but you've probably seen people post some kind of picture, and then it's going to be, would you like to know how you could lose 7 pounds in 7 days? Click or type info below, something like that. And you're going to then have a lot of targeted people on your friends list that are going to see this, because you know that they want to lose weight, they want to find all the kind of tips and tricks that they can. So what's going to happen then is people are going to type in info on your comments or on your post, And what you're going to do then is you're going to send them to an offer. But before you send them to like a direct linked offer, you're probably going to want to set up a landing page. And that's because Facebook typically doesn't approve affiliate links directly from there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to install InstaBuilder on your website, if you currently have one. If not, you're going to want to get a website. What you're going to do then, and you can actually get this installed for $5. If you go to fiverr.com and you type in InstaBuilder, you can get someone to install this for $5. So what you're going to do then is you're going to click, you scroll down a little bit, and then it's going to say create landing page. So then you're going to get a lot of pre-made pages here. So this is actually super simple. There's not a whole lot of things you need to do because you already know that the person that typed in info, they're very interested in what you have to offer. So it doesn't have to look fancy at all. I would suggest something like, probably something like this. This could work really well. Let's just preview this one. So you don't really need a logo, I guess, but you can just have something like, see, because you need to change this one around a bit. It says enter your email address to get this free report. And you don't have to collect leads at this point either. You don't have to do that at all. The only thing you need is basically a page like this. You may want to have like a privacy policy and things like that. But just say something like, learn how I lost 7 pounds in 7 days with this keto diet or something like that, and then you just have them click, and you can change this very easily inside of InstaBuilder as well. If I go and show you here, just to show you how simple it is to use InstaBuilder. But I would probably get rid of the opt-in form actually if you're just going to use this for Facebook. So I'd probably do this. You're going to click here then, and you can just get rid of this one, and you can add a button instead. Where's the button? It's there we go. So you can just drag a button here. You can make this a little bit larger, and you can write something like, let's see, click here to learn more about, what was it called? Keto resources. Something like that. You can make it bold, make it look a little bit nicer, change the color around a bit. Let's just change this to like red or something. I'm not going to play around with this too much, but you get my point. And just change this text here to something like, as I said, if you're giving them a free report first, that's probably not something you're going to want to do if you're completely new. If this is like the first time you're trying to make money online, that might be a little bit too complicated for you. But let's just say something like this. Learn how I lost 7 pounds in 7 days with keto. Something like that. What you can do is you can take a look at his sales page and see what that says. If we go to this one, for example, I haven't actually done that. I don't know what this will say. And you can typically just take the headline of, okay, well that's pretty cool. So you can just, let's see what this says actually. That sounds really nice. So what you can do then is you can probably do, basically copy this and go into, let's just do that instead. Hurry, this free offer won't last long. Get this brand new bacon and butter free. And you could add a picture of, where were we? Just drag this picture to your InstaBuilder account, and people will say enter your details. So you can probably just leave this one actually. So we don't need this button here. That's not going to make any sense. Sorry, messed it up. Might delete the whole thing now. Let's see. Nope, that's fine. Cool. So we'll need to change this a little bit. Anyway, just play around here and add a picture here. You don't need a logo. It's too complicated. But just leave it like something like this. Have the picture of the bacon and butter. I mean, obviously, this is if you're going after this exact product, which you probably shouldn't, because this video is probably going to get a few hundred views. And if everyone goes after the same thing, that's not good for anyone. But that's pretty much what you have to do. Send people from, so when they type in info on Facebook, send them to your little landing page. They click here. They get sent to this page here. When they enter their details, and there's going to be something for them to buy after this, most likely, you get paid. That's how simple it is. So that's how you can make money from Facebook. So simply find a group to join, and then so many tabs open. So yes, do that. And you can do this in any niche pretty much, wherever they have a lot of people interested in what it is you want to promote. So weight loss, for example, huge. I'd say dating, like love and dating, tons of stuff. Make money online will work as well. I personally probably wouldn't do make money online in this niche. There's probably more money to be made from other stuff. But that's what you should do. So just join these groups, add the members in the group. I'd say somewhere between 5 and 15, maybe 20 per day. Start off pretty slow, then maybe ramp it up a little bit. Maybe add like 3 people in the morning, 3 people in the afternoon, 5 people in the evening, and just do it like that. So don't go and add like 20 people like add. That's not going to look good. And once you have a few hundred people, or maybe after just like a week or so, you can add a post like that on your Facebook wall. And something like, as I said, learn how I lost 7 pounds in 7 days with the keto, something like that, just whatever you're into. And that's it. So you can do this with other offers as well. If you got Max Bounty, this is a CPA network, you can go here and take any offer here. You can go to Muncha if you want to promote make money online niche. Tons of products launching every single day. You can go to what else is there? Offer Vault. There's Market Health, I think it's called. There's a ton of different offers you can use, and that's it. That's all I really have to say here. So that's how you can make money from Facebook using a very simple method. And now, as I said, if you want to know how I made over $12,000 from actually posting in these groups without spamming, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying posting in these groups in a very, very legit way. People didn't even realize that what I was doing was kind of advertising, because it looked like a completely normal post. Go ahead and click the link in the description below this video. Enter your email here, click get instant access, and then in the first email you'll get, that's where there's going to be a link to this course. When you first sign up here, you're actually going to be taken to the other course that I'm actually giving away here, which is how to rank videos on YouTube. But that's not what you're interested in right now, or maybe it is. In that case, get that one as well. But in the first email you're going to get from me, just open that one and click it, and click the link that goes here, and then you're going to just have a big long video series here where I show you everything that I did. So that's all you have to do in order to make money on Facebook. So if you have any questions, let me know. And as I said, if you decide to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and comment below. I'll get back to you, and I'm looking forward to meeting you. And if you have any questions, as I said, let me know. If not, thank you for watching this short video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.